Hello friends, welcome to Datagan Academy. This is your go-to channel for Power BI interview preparation, real tax solutions, and data analytics career guidance. Today we are asking something different but super important. Can you actually learn data analytics in just 12 or 24 hours? Let's be real and break it down together. So you have seen the thumbnails. Become a data analyst in 12 hours. Full course in one video. And you start to wonder, can I actually learn all of this in just one day? And I get why that sounds amazing. You are short on time. You are excited. Maybe you are even desperate to switch careers. You just want to skip to get the good part. But deep down, most of us know this isn't how real learning works. Today, I want to break that illusion and show you a better way. Think about it. Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python, statistics, projects, portfolio building, all packed in one video. That's like trying to become a chef by watching a 12-hour cooking without even touching a stove. Watching doesn't equal learning, and learning isn't about cramming everything. It's about absorbing something. Why this doesn't work? These all-in-one tutorials try to teach you everything, but they don't give you the time or space to actually understand anything. You start taking notes, then you skip ahead, then you rewind, then you get lost. Eventually, it turns into background noise. You've watched hours of content but still don't know where to begin. Learning doesn't happen by watching everything, it happens by doing one thing at a time. What actually happens? If you go through the comment section of these videos, you will see the truth. Too fast for beginners? Can someone explain this part? I don't get it yet. I'm looking for a data analyst course. In this video is enough to become a data analyst. You can see many more comments like this when you go actually through those videos. It's not that you are not smart. It's not that you didn't try hard enough. It's just that the video gave you a buffet of knowledge and expected you to swallow it in one bite. This is how most learners give up, not because they are lazy, but because the path was never built for beginners in the first place. Then what is the truth behind the scenes? Let's be honest. Many of these videos are part of content strategy. They are designed to attract, impress, and funnel, not teach deeply. You get the video for free, sure, but when you are overwhelmed or lost suddenly, there is a complete paid course offer. And again, there is nothing wrong with selling courses. Many of them are valuable. But you need to know about this. Don't mistake flashy content for effective learning. Being busy watching something that doesn't mean you're making progress. The real way to learn is it's not fast, it's not flashy, it's not fun every single day, but it works. You start small, you start Excel, learn how to clean and work with data. Then you pick up SQL, learn how to talk to data. Then you build visualizations in Power BI, learn how to explain the insights. Then you build projects, real ones. Make mistakes. Ask for feedback. Then you build your portfolio. You show what you have learned. That's how real analysts are made. Not by watching one video, but by building step by step. If you really want to learn data analytics, forget the shortcuts. Forget watching 1,000 tutorials without ever applying them. Start slow, stay consistent. Even if you just learn for 1 hour a day, that's a real growth. Every expert you see today, they have started by learning the basics badly. They made mistakes, they googled everything. They didn't skip the process, and neither should you. So you have to apply the logic, build it, reflect in your work, and repeat. Unless and until you practice these 4 steps, you will not get to learn properly. What our channel stands for. This channel isn't going to sell your dreams. It's here to give you something even more valuable and clarity. We will go tool by tool, project by project, mindset by mindset. No fake promises, no instant expert tricks, just small, focused lessons with real world results. So if you tried of feeling confused? If you want to learn at your own pace with someone guiding you, subscribe, comment, ask questions. Let's grow one skill at a time. Thank you.